today there was severe thunderstorms that impacted the lower southeast area of Queensland and also the higher end of New South Wales, making an impact with at least 90 to 100 km/h winds, with the damaging side of it coming to Darling Downs area, and it should be the next update by 11 p.m. Australian time, and that means that we should be able to see next warning, considering that there was a time limit. It says a specific time that it says for it to be on, and that meaning that it's very good for that, right? And it's accurate too. It's very accurate, so you will know when it's going to be made, and you actually know it's pinpoint. It's only like a minute over, and then we will know for sure if it's coming up or not. I think it's past us already, so we know for sure that it's not going to get us. It's a bit windy, but it's not a gale force wind like it was a bit before. Peace.